In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Just Eat order. First of all, launch open Just Eat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option orders that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your orders interface. You'll be able to see all the orders that you placed over here. Right now, I haven't placed any order. But if you want to cancel the order, what you have to do is simply look for the order that you want to cancel. Right under that order, you'll be able to find the section for how can we help. Under it, you'll be able to find the option for cancel. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is submit your cancellation request. Simply fill in all the details and submit your cancellation request. Now after you do that, your order will be cancelled. Be prepared that cancelling the order may result in a charge of up to the full order value. So like this, you'll be able to cancel your order. So that is how you cancel Just Eat order. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.